Hello everyone, welcome to the video. We will now move further and we will try to make this cute little type of the hand. For this one, you just have to take the plastic gloves, or we can say the polythene gloves. Then you just have, with the help of the double-sided tape, you just have to decorate some of the, and you just have to tie it over this type of the disposable cup, blow the air over it. From the pineapple, you just have to take the foam that's greenish, that's yellowish in color. After that, you just have to trim it down in the round circle and you just have to fix it over the plastic bottle, and you just have to place the light inside. Take this bottle and then wrap it down with the help of the leaves, actually colorful sheets of the paper. Then you can decorate it from the outer portion, decorated with some of the flowers one after the another with this type of the appendage that's shown here. Let's move further. First, take this plastic bottle and you just have to build it. You just have to melt it from center so that it will become in the circular shape, and after that you just have to add the rest of the features of this bunny. Let's move towards another activity. For this one, you may require the balloon. You just have to place some of the marbles inside it and you just have to wrap them down with the help of the elastic rubber band, and you can see from the inside out. You just have to turn it and then you just have to blow the air inside it. Then the rest of the features are to be added. This looks so cute and so easy activity. For this one, you may require some of the grains or the pulses. First, you just have to trace down this cute little type of the bird, and then you just have to place some of the pulses over it. You just have to make a hole at the center, and a bottle half trimmed is to be placed from the back portion. There you can store all these grains. Another activity here, we are taking this fruit foam and we are just rolling it down and we are fixing it properly. Now we are creating these artificial candies with the help of the clay and insert it inside them. Let's move further. You just have to take the orange and you just have to peel it properly and in a sequentially, and see how we are just squeezing out the orange fruit inside it, so that only we are left out is the peel. And now you just have to place the light inside it. This is done. Let's move further towards another activity. First, you just have to take down the egg. You just have to break it from the center area. Take all the egg and you just have to decorate the rest of the shell with the help of some beautiful colors. Here, these are going to represent rabbit. Let's move towards another activity. Again, you just have to take the orange fruit outside and you just have to work on the peel. You just have to decorate it. Here we are just making a cute little bunny out of it. Place it over the light. It looks so cute. We will move towards another activity. For this one, again, you may require an orange. You just have to trim it down, and the orange peel is only used that somewhat circular in shape. After that, you just have to insert some of the long ears and the light is placed over it. This is so cool. Let's move towards another activity. Here we are taking some of the sugar and we are placing some of the other things inside it. After that, you just have to place the clay in these circular shape that are going to represent the flowers one after the another. You just have to make some of the creases at the center and place them over the natural twigs that we have trimmed from the tree. Let's try to make these cute little tiny finger inspired bunnies. For this one, you may require the tissue paper. You just have to fold it. This is a 3D craft, so that you just have to make folds and unfolds and then fix them properly according to the size of your fingers. This looks so cute. Add some of the features. Let's move further towards another activity. Here we are taking this bottle, then we are blowing the balloon inside it. After that, we are covering it, and then we have made a hole and we will going to hang it with the help of the cap. Thank you.